Equipment preparation.
Please prepare the following items.
Unboxing. Connect the camera to the DVR. Flip the DVR to the back and connect the power supply, monitor, mouse and router in turn. Connect camera to the BNC cable. Connect all cameras to the power supply and to the DVR via BNC cable. Connect all the camera to 1 to 4 power splitter via BNC cable. Connect 1 to 4 power splitter to the power adapter.
Wait for the picture to come out.